Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply fix account being banned or suspended on battle.net. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So the only way you can actually try to fix it is going to be by opening any browser that you want and searching for Blizzard support. So let me just go ahead and do that right here and go ahead and click on the first link right over here and click on account right over here. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here where you want to click on problem with battle.net account email right over here. Once you've clicked on that, all you need to do is just click on contact us right over here and simply go ahead and enter your email and click on submit, and they will go ahead and send you your email. So you can simply talk to them through email, and on the ticket they'll also mention why you were banned or suspended, or if it was not supposed to be, you can simply talk to them. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.